Hello Delhi. Namaste parents. Are you worried? Are you looking for Delhi-based Bhumihar families for matrimonial alliance who's equally qualified and professionally settled? Then you're watching the right video. This is Pragati Upadhyay. Today I'm here with another video on one of the best Bhumihar marriage bureau cum Bhumihar wedding planners in Delhi. A wedding planner for Bhumihar elite and middle class families in Delhi. Passionate about technology and want to make it easy to use for every family, challenging the one package fits all approach with prices starting at 1,251 rupees only. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Bhumihar bridegroom matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything, from matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in Delhi. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. To summarize the history of a city like Delhi seems almost impossible, but one can easily recognize that it has been the center of India's political, social and cultural evolution for the last few centuries. Delhi finds it mentioned in the Mahabharata, in which it was known as Indraprastha. Many rulers controlled kingdoms around the region through the ancient and medieval period, which were unified under the vast Mughal Empire. But that wasn't the only defining era in Delhi's past, for it also became the center of British rule of India when they shifted their capital from Kolkata in 1911, Union territory that holds within it the old city, the modern capital of New Delhi, and satellite cities of Gurgaon, Noida, Faridabad and Ghaziabad. It is landlocked by Uttar Pradesh to the east and Haryana on the other three sides, firmly set within the Gangetic plains of North India. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Delhi, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Delhi. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Bhumihar life partner in Delhi has been taken up by Bhumihar marriage bureaus or Bhumihar marriage consultancy in Delhi. Today I will introduce you a Bhumihar matrimonial service provider in Delhi which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Bhumihar families in Delhi for matrimonial alliance. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in Delhi, but the marriage bureau in Delhi who have changed the concept of Bhumihar partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker service in Delhi. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am going to tell you what the Bhumihar family is looking for in their search for a bride groom in Delhi. Yes, they are keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for a personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Bhumihar matchmaking services in Delhi. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online offline services just like your neighborhood marriage bureau in Delhi to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivering. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connection between great people and families in Delhi. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Delhi. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in Delhi. Dharma Vedic top features are: number 1. We do not just sign up clients for a fee, our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2. We have the large Bhumihar database of profiles in Delhi and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have hand-picked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Delhi. Number 3. Our Bhumihar matchmaking service in Delhi fee ranges start starting from 1,251 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding venue and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in Delhi. So parents, it's high time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Bhumihar matchmaking process in Delhi. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned, stay fit. Namaste.